Hey guys, this is Ella. Welcome back to my channel. I didn't post on YouTube like for 3 weeks, I think, and the reason is because I started a challenge on my Instagram. It's 100 days of makeup challenge. I do a different makeup every single day, and today is my 18th day, so there will be more days. And of course, after that, I'm not just gonna stop. I will keep doing makeups. But if you want to see some looks, maybe get inspired, you can follow me on my Instagram. I will let you the link down below. For today, I have something different for you. I was thinking to do that like a week or two before, and now I have some time and I just sit down here with you and I want to show you something. I have almost my entire makeup done because today will be about eyelashes. It was the day when I had to do a makeup, and the only eyelashes that I had weren't my favorites. I didn't like them so much. I ordered them from eBay and I paid like $3 for 20 eyelashes. Of course, in the pictures they look differently than what I got. That's why I ordered them, because I liked the pictures, but when I received them they are not like that at all. But since they are not like my favorites, are not what I need, I was thinking what to do with them, because I just keep applying them on my eyes and like nothing happens. What I can do with them. So I had this idea of improving them, making them look better. So this is how it looks like, the package of the eyelashes that I ordered from eBay, and inside were 10 eyelashes. Well, when you pull them off, they have like these little things like left and right. Since I got that lashes and I didn't like them, I wanted to improve them, as I told you. So I have some lashes because on my clients in my country I used to apply this kind of lashes, the single ones. Well, and since I had these ones, I have some medium, small, and I also have some of these extensions, medium and small, which is just like it's just like one piece of hair. I just started to make my own eyelashes, just the way I like them. Well, let's skip the talking and jump into the video and start doing what I want to do today. So first thing first, before applying the eyelashes, you have to put them on your eyes just like that to see if they are too big for your eyes and if you have to cut them a little bit. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. I have one lash here and I'm just gonna put this like that. Because of the cheap eyelash, it's not gonna let me put it so easily, but we are going to try. Well, you can see it's very big here on the outer corner of my eye, and there is where you have to cut it every time, never from the inner corner of your eye, always from the outer corner. And I'm just gonna cut like this, a little bit of it, and I'm gonna cut it. And this eyelash, I'm gonna apply it just the way it is, just like that, so you can see after that the difference. I am going to use this glue, which is from Atelier Paris. It's from Europe and I can't find it here in America, so if you can recommend me something else that I can buy here, just please let me know, because this one will be finished soon and I will need something new to use. Since I started this challenge, I always almost always have glue on my eyes. I can't get rid of it. I just keep cleaning my face and everything, and it's just stuck there. So I'm just gonna apply a little bit of glue and then apply it on my eye. And with a tweezer, which is special for lashes, I'm just gonna press my lashes with this false one together to make them stay where I want. I also gonna apply some mascara, and I like to apply mascara after putting the lashes, because if you apply first mascara and then apply your false lashes, you won't be able to see so well the base of your eyelashes, and maybe you will not be able to apply the eyelashes correctly, because you have to apply it like very close to the base of your natural ones, like closest possible. And after that, I'm gonna use my Wet n Wild mascara, and I'm just gonna apply it a little bit on my natural lashes. This will also help me lift a little bit the lashes, and also make them like stay together more, because also the mascara, it's a creamy product and dries, and when dries kind of stick the lashes together with yours, something like that. And after that, I like to use again the tweezer and put them together like that. Oops, you have to be careful if you are using something like that. You can damage your eye seriously. It's very sharp. This is how it looks like, guys, the lashes without improving them. This is my normal eye without lashes. So now let's do the other eye with my improved eyelash. And the same, I'm gonna start to see if I have to cut from it or not. And now I'm gonna invite you on my table so you can see what I am going to do next. Well, let's hope you guys will see it very good. And I have here this Pro palette from Makeup Forever, and this will be like my table for work. And this is the lash, the glue, the tweezer, and I have here the lashes. I put them like the small ones, the medium. I have everything here right next to me. I'm gonna put some glue here, like that. I'm gonna start with short. Oops. And I'm just gonna grab a little bit of glue, not very much, and I'm gonna start putting this on the outer corner like that, from the base of the lash. I don't like my lashes to be very like huge on the outer corner, because I feel that makes my eye like going down, and I just put these small ones on the outer corner of my eye. And then I'm gonna add some of the small ones also in the inner corner of the eyelash. And now let's put some of the medium ones, and let's see, I'm gonna start from here, from the middle of the eyelash. Sorry guys, I don't have nails. I miss my sister so bad. She's a nail artist back in my country, and I always had the best nails in town. Don't forget just a little bit of glue, because you have to think that you are going to apply glue also when you're applying them on your eyes, and that's gonna be a lot of glue. And if you are applying right now a huge amount of glue, that's gonna look very bad. Maybe it's not something for you guys, it's something that you already know, already tried, but I don't know, I felt like I want to share this with you, and it's like a trick. I'm also gonna add some of these extensions, just some pieces, the same, just a little bit of glue. So you just have to be creative. You can apply how you want and how much you want. I also, after applying these, I also let them dry like a little bit and then apply them on my eyes, but that's how they look like right now. So let's apply them on our eye and see the difference. We have the eyelash done, and I'm gonna apply some glue. I'm gonna apply from here, from the table that I already pulled out. Oops. And now let's see. You can see the result. That's the difference. And that's it, guys. Now for sure I'm gonna pull this out, and I'm also gonna do this one the same with this gorgeous one. I hope you enjoyed this video too. I'm so sorry for being absent a while, but I'm gonna try harder, and I'm gonna try to do more videos. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Hope we will see very soon, this time with another video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, please, and you can also follow me on my Instagram. Thank you guys for everything, and see you next time. Bye.